Welcome back again to my channel. So today we're looking at the risk register. Many of us who work in project management, in monitoring and evaluation, you may be at one point today as a project manager, as an M&E officer, tasked to come up with a risk register for your project. So today I'm just taking you through shortly in like 4 minutes a template for a risk register. One, as you see here, we have the trigger events for these risks. So in this column, you can just indicate what is the risk that you assume that will happen, and you state it. Maybe we have a risk that in the program we're implementing, if we have a delay of procurement of seed, and this is an agricultural project, and the seasons or rains get over before the seeds are delivered, there is a probability of what? Of a low or no yield, and yet our project is centered about agriculture. So you put that risk that delayed procurement of seeds can affect the program. The probability of occurrence in the column trigger date, you put the date. Then probability of occurrence, you put how likely is this going to occur from a scale of 1 to 5. Is it going to be 3, 4, or 5? You put either this is going to occur like 3. How is the impact of this risk on the project? Still you rate it. Is it a high risk, low risk, medium risk, or very, very low risk? And then you have the risk level. Still, this is also you rate it. How is the level of risk still on the project? And then you set your mitigation strategy. You said an example is delayed procurement of seeds. Mitigation strategy is maybe we shall make sure that we procure the seeds in time, which is maybe also similar to our response strategy. We shall engage procurement manager so that all this procurement and money is available to make this procurement in time and deliver on time. Then the date last reviewed, this is just reviewing your risk. Has it been tackled or not yet? You review it, and then you can put any comments. If not yet, if the risk has not yet been tackled, you put a comment, and then the status. Was this risk worked on, completed, or is so pending? You select. So that's it, a simple template for a risk register. You can adapt it in designing a risk register if you're tasked to do one. Thank you very much. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.